Hey guys, welcome back to k20 Garage. What I'm doing today, besides being 100 degrees here in Florida, it took me about 4.5 hours just to cut my grass all the way around the house, which was pretty high because it's always a rainy season. And this sun is killing me. That car is for sale. Any of you YouTubers interested on it, hit me up. I got so much shit going on in my life right now, a lot of projects. I got the drag cars already, got it halfway painted, coming this way. I got parts here for the TSX. I got parts here for the hatch. I got brand new wheels for the soul. And I haven't put money on my cars because they're, so y'all know, these wheels are Adriana, the seats are Manny's. The blue car is Manny, the TSX is Manny, the white hatch is Manny. The only cars that I own is the CRX and the S2000. So, with that said, I was cleaning my mess here and I run into this right here. I ordered these like, woo! If I tell you guys maybe 9 months ago, and now I found them because I'm cleaning up. And the reason I'm telling you this is because if you look right here, that's one of my grounds. It goes from back here to here. And that's my ground. And I did that because I didn't have ground all the time when I built this car. That's the other one right there. So with that said, hit like, hit share, subscribe. And I'm gonna measure, see this ground right here. It will work on my S2000 or my CRX. And go from there. Alright, thanks. Alright guys, so let me show you, because my battery died and I found my other GoPro. This is my ground, right here on the shell, from here to here, the transmission bolt. And I'm going to show you what it used to look like. And again, I made this ground because I wanted it to look a little bit different. And that's the ground that I invented it. That was like couple of years ago, like I say years ago, like 6-7 years ago, and then I found these. That's what I bought them, and I never installed them. Now these are 4x10mm bolts, and then you can put them in basically anywhere you want on your vehicle. I have another ground way down there, but holding by a number 12 bolt. I don't want to use that. I want to put the camera down. I want to look around, see where I find another one so I can put it on, and then I'm gonna go for a ride. Got it. I kind of left the ground in the same place. I only changed that one. That one you don't see it that much, so I want to leave it there for now. If you never see my CRX, welcome. This is my 1988 Honda CRX. My daughter's 97 Del Sol. I do have an issue with my S2000 that I want to bring it up front, but I want to get this car running. This car has been in my house for almost 7 months now, or 6 months. Problem I'm having with this car, this fuel don't want to kick in. So as soon as I do that, I can get the car running. Today was too hot. I'm going to try that on next Sunday when I'm off. I do have that one for sale. So what I'm going to do today before I leave, I'm going to ride on this. I'm going to swap cars. I'm going to bring that car inside. I'm going to bring the S2000 outside. And it's just alright guys, this is my babies right here. My S2000. Usually you don't see it because I keep it in the back. The AC is on. Gorgeous car. And I got my CRX, of course. My babies. You can tell I like colors on the cars. And this is the headache that I want to deal with this weekend. So as soon as I sell that blue car, man, I got a surprise for y'all coming. And hopefully you know who I'm talking to. Thank you for being so patient with me. But yeah, man. Let me get ready. Let me change my clothes. Go for a ride on the CRX.
Hi guys, I haven't drove my CRX in a while, and over a month. Cars parked at the house 90% of the time. I do go to car meets with my daughter and everything, but me go out and drive in beautiful weather like this, and this time of the year even worse. So put the ground cable, and I'm still having problems with it. I don't know if because what I use, instead of using a regular 10mm, I use a painted nut, and maybe that is the problem. But when sitting at home, I changed that. No problem with that. I was just driving around my town. This is the area the hurricane hit. 2 years ago. Some of the area is still not right. So I haven't been to Malaysia in a while. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drive that way and show you what the hurricane did. You know, my CRX right now is running on 169. It's 110-degree weather. My temperature in my car is 169. Oh, I got a Q50 right behind me, bro. Low to the ground, it's creeping up on me. Got tinted window. Let's see if we can see it. I don't think so, but it's right there. Oh, he's turning now. Dump trucks around the area. They released a lot of freaking rocks and all that stuff like that. I do want to replace my quarter seats. I went to Speed Zone and I found the blue ones, like many that you just bought. Now the black ones, they were gorgeous, so I'm saving my little dimes for that. I got the brackets, I don't need the bracket, I need the seat. So with that said, you know, I got a lot of things coming up on my YouTube channel, and I'm sorry guys, I haven't posted videos for nothing in the past few weeks like I want to. I'll be busy at work like crazy. Dealing with a lot of stuff. And sometimes when you're busy or you're negative, you don't want to come on the camera. But that spreads, you know. You want to be positive all the time. Oh, it's a Mustang. Why Mustang on there look like they want to race every time? Look like he looking back and be like, yo, you see my Mustang, bro? You saw my shit? I'm a Honda guy, so I'm humble. I don't care about that shit. There you go. Just rep that at me. I got packages. I saw the camera moving. Yep, there they are. So these right here are the seat rails for the white hatch.
goes right here. And this, my flag, this right here is for the hatch. This is mine. Hold on, I got a mess over here, bro. Usually my garage is not this messy, but since I haven't worked around and do nothing around it, it's that messy. And that's the last wheel that she needed. So she got the whole set. We'll make a video on that. And of course a video installing the seats and everything. But right now, these seats are gonna be the last thing we put in a Manny's hatch. I wanna get it running, brake bleed and all that, get it coming, get it moving, get a couple other things I need to do to it. Ooh, it was open. And after we do that, then we put the seats on. But yeah, a lot of work, not enough time. But guys, I'm just gonna wash my cars, wash the S2000, wash the CRX. I haven't watched them in a while. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your subscribing. Thank you for being there for me, even though I was lacking. Hit me up, share, hit like, subscribe, thumbs up. Thank you for everything. Hope you like this video. See you in the Browns.